Understanding It Was a Fiasco. A deep dive into meaning and usage. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating phrase in the English language. It was a fiasco. Ever heard this phrase and wondered what it truly means or how to use it properly? Then, you're in the right place. Let's unravel the mystery together. It was a fiasco is an expression used to describe a situation that ended in a complete failure or disaster, often in a way that is embarrassing or ludicrous. The word fiasco originates from Italian, where it literally means flask or bottle, but figuratively, it came to describe a complete failure, especially in the context of a theatrical performance. In English, we use it to talk about any kind of major failure or debacle. This phrase can be used in various contexts. 1. Events. When an event doesn't go as planned. The festival was poorly organized. It was a fiasco. 2. Projects. In the context of work or projects that fail to meet expectations. The project was not well thought out. It was a fiasco. 3. Personal experiences. When describing personal situations that ended badly. My first attempt at baking a cake was a fiasco. It's important to note that the phrase often carries a connotation of disappointment and sometimes a hint of humor or irony about the extent of the failure. To fully grasp the usage, let's look at some examples. After planning, we planned it for months, but it was a fiasco. In hindsight, looking back, trying to surprise her without knowing her schedule was a fiasco. With emphasis on outcome, the whole presentation was a fiasco. Nothing went as planned. Understanding synonyms can broaden your vocabulary. Here are a few: debacle, disaster, failure, catastrophe, flop. However, remember that each word carries its own nuance, so they may not be interchangeable in all contexts. And there you have it. Now you know how to use and understand the phrase, "It was a fiasco." We hope this video sheds light on this interesting expression and helps you feel more confident using it in your daily conversations. Remember, language learning is a journey, and you're doing great. See you in the next video.